Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can go into the summer update room and dress and impress. This is a secret. So you're just going to jump up here. If you have fast walk, if you don't, just use like a fairy pose. Then you're just going to jump here and you'll be able to go in the new summer secret room. How cool is that? Oh my god, this is super cool, and you get to see it before the update. Wow. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, one thing to mention, this is only on free play, I think. So make sure you're in free play, and the event begins in a few hours. So see you when the update comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.